Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to create a Turnitin student account in 2026 using the official method so you can properly access assignments and submit your work. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To create a Turnitin student account, first you must know that Turnitin needs a student account or a student code coming from your teacher. After getting your student code, you can simply go to login as instructor or student. You can click here or your email address or your password. Click here and go to students. And you would see the information that is needed for the information, which you need a class ID, a class enrollment key, your first name and your last name, your email address, and to confirm your email address and password. After this, secret question, what kind of secret question would need, and hit the captcha one and hit continue. Remember that Turnitin needs the class ID, which you can always ask your administrator, your librarian, or your IT department in your school. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.